Jiangsu Huida Medical Instruments Company Limited is committed to the research, production, and distribution of medical instruments. It is a large-scale professional manufacturer and distributor, producing microscope slides, cover glass, lab plasticware, lab glassware. Established in August 2003, the company has 12,000 square meters of standard workshops and 1,000 square meters of 100,000 grade of purifying rooms, designed as the national industry rules of medical instruments required. We have a team with strong professional skills and advanced manufacturing and inspection equipment. We also passed ISO 9001, ISO 13485 and have got CE certificate.